see Adele cell phone? Hello! Are you hear my voice, guys? Hey, wait, I will turn it on my speaker. If you already here, help me to share to your groups, yeah? Because tonight we have ROG, okay? ROG cell phone and then gaming cell phone, yeah? So another have another cell phone. If you're already here, please comment because I want to know your comments. And then just like communicate, yeah, with each other, yeah. Okay. I'm waiting for people coming in. I cannot see, guys. Is that the Wi-Fi? Hello. Hello, Melissa Dogo. Oh, okay. People already coming in, yeah. Because I'm so excited with this cell phone, ROG cell phone, guys. For gaming, yeah. Nowadays, gaming is our entertainment, right? And then everybody is like to play. What game, guys? What game? You can comment what game you play. I'm playing Mobile Legend. Mobile Legend, yeah, guys. I just started to play Mobile Legend because I want to play with my friends like that. And then for PUBG, I cannot play, I guess, yeah. And then for Genshin Impact, I also cannot play. Okay. Hello, Bon Bruce. Hello, Doma Agat. Shout out for everyone, wherever you are. Yeah. Guys, comment what game you play, yeah. Okay. Because tonight I have 10 minutes, as always, 10 minutes. And then for today, we are going to explain this ROG cell phone. Wait, sorry. Yes, one by one, yeah. I'm waiting for people coming in. Good evening, hello Carlo and Panilo. Okay, long time no see, yeah. Wow, Carlo and Panilo, you have already our badge, yeah. Follower badge, you see your name. There is a symbol. Thank you so much, Carlo Panilo. Always watching our live stream. Thank you so much. Yeah, so this one is ROG cell phone. This one is basically this one is ROG 5S, yeah, guys, yeah. ROG 5S with this display, you can see. Wow. Because CT3C is also reseller of this one, yeah. Official reseller of ROG. So we have stocks for ROG cell phone. Yeah, one by one, yeah, guys, yeah. Ni hao, hello Eric Vincent Tabak. Where are you? In Taichung, Tainan, Kaohsiung. Yeah, back to topic, yeah, guys. Back to topic. For this one, for ROG, this one is the display. Really nice cell phone, yeah. This one is super mega beast for gaming cell phone, yeah. You can see from the display, this one really fast, yeah. Wow, ROG. Oh, this one is later. I will tell you one by one. For the screen, okay, we start from the screen. From the screen, this one is 144 Hertz, yeah, guys, yeah. It's really fast, you can see. Super mega, and this one have trigger cell phone, yeah. Trigger cell phone. So for gaming, it's really nice. The super mega gaming, yeah. Asus ROG. Have two colors for this one, black and then white color. And then for ROG, they have special that every cell phone don't have, yeah, guys. They have this one, X mode. Oops, is it clear? This one X mode, yeah, guys. You can turn on, and then there is a light over here. Okay, once again, this one is without X mode, and then this one is with the X mode, yeah. Yeah, have colors. What is X mode? Not only the colors, yeah, guys, yeah, not only the color. So if you turn on this X mode over here, if you play games like this, I will try Mobile Legends. This one is the trial only, yeah, guys, yeah. Trial only because, yeah, over here there is a, once again, wait now. Okay. Yeah. This one is game on, yeah, X mode on. So there is no call or no message will disturb you, yeah. Okay. Okay, this one only trial mode, guys, but it's okay. I will try. This is so quick, yeah, guys. Trial mode. Wow, this one you can.
Welcome to the practice. The battlefield is divided into 3 lanes. Choose a lane according to your hero's role. Remember,
You can see the
destroy
sun,
the
yeah.
enemy
It's
base
big.
and
It's
we
big.
win the match.
Half bass, yeah.
Tap here to learn. Tap
Give
here
good
to
the
buy equipment
performance of
directly.
gaming.
Choose a lane you want to take.
Oh, this one is only. Okay.
All troops deployed. You will get
I-
gold by eliminating enemy heroes and minions
Yeah.
or destroying enemy turrets.
I cannot play guys in here because it's not my account. It's okay. As you can see, the sound is really big, yeah.
First blood.
Only trial one, so you can see how is the fast this one.
Team destroyed a turret. Now destroy the enemy inner turret. An enemy has been slain.
Tomorrow again, okay? Tomorrow again, I will tell you.
We have to destroy the enemy base turret.
The sound is big, yeah, guys. It's really nice.
Team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Wow! Give really good performance for gaming. Okay, goodbye. This one is trial only, so it's okay. Okay, not only that one, for ROG 5S, they have good display over here, yeah. For the display, you can see there is a light over here. So, you can, they have Armory Crate, yeah, crate over here. Armory Crate. So, you can choose over here. They have console, CPU, GPU, and then they have system temperature, yeah. How they can let you know your phone is heat or not, because for gaming we must have the good CPU, yeah, good CPU, and then good temperature for this one. They can use for this one X mode, ultra durable, and then advanced. And then for this one, I will connect to console. Yeah. For this one, you can choose what color you like. This one is pink because I like pink. Yeah. So this one, you can choose the lightning over here, yeah. The lightning. The lightning. This one is pink, magenta. And then if you like red, you can adjust the brightness also over here. Yeah. That I already told you. This one have air triggers, ya guys, ya. Okay, over here. Okay, lightning. If you like blue, yes, there you go. This one is the blue color, really nice for this ROG 5S. For ROG 5S have 2 colors, ya guys. Once again, this one is the black color, and then have the white color also. 144 Hz display over here. Really quick. Have trigger cell phone. Yeah. Okay, I will turn off the X mode. Not only the X mode, yeah, the camera is really nice, guys. 64 megapixel camera. Yeah, over here. 64 megapixel camera. So it's really clear. You can see. Yeah, sorry. They have portrait camera also. You can see how bright is this one. Yeah, this one. Hi. Portrait camera. Okay, I will try this one. Have portrait camera also. 64 megapixel camera, ya. Wow. Wow. Really nice. Processing, still processing. Okay. 64 megapixel camera. Not only gaming phone, for the camera it's really nice also, ya. Can have good performance on gaming, and then the camera is nice. Really nice. Compatible. Yeah. Wow. This And it's our customer take pictures ya. Oh my god. Okay, this one is ROG 5S. And then for the Pro also have, you can message me if you're interested with the Pro. For this one is the 5S one ya. And then for Kunai gaming pad, you all have also over here. Okay, I'll put in here. For the gaming pad, this one is Kunai 3. We have also, you can use for gamepad compatible with ROG 5 ya. For this one, it's different ya guys for this one ya. Okay, for this one, what is the freebies? Hello Pixar Christian J. For the freebies, I will give you the Gorilla Glass ya. For this one, Gorilla Glass, it's free Gorilla Glass. And then we'll give you screen, the gaming sleeve ya, the gaming sleeve for the gaming set. Oh yeah, inside this one already have cooling fan ya, cooling fan inside the box. They have cooling fan already, so no need to worry if your phone is getting heat, because it's already compatible with the gaming fan ya. Inside have like this. In Taiwan, only in Taiwan ya guys, the packaging ROG like this. In different country like maybe in Philippines, in Indonesia, have different package ya. Only in Taiwan special like this package. They have cooling game pad inside over here. So yeah, this one is for ROG 5S. ROG 5S complete with screen protector. Power bank not free. Hello Christian J. Power bank is not free ya, but I will give you the Gorilla Glass ya guys. For tonight ya, if you want interested with this one, you can message me because we have stock for this one. I forgot to tell you, for this one, it's already supported with 16 RAM, 256 GB memory. I'm sorry what happened with me today. This one is 16 RAM, 128 GB memory, half black and then half white color ya. For the price, you can message me and then I will tell you the details of this one. Free Gorilla Glass ya. For it, the Gorilla Glass is worth until 700, but I will give it you free because gaming have to have good screen protector ya. Global version ya. This one is global version of ROG. Global one ya. This one we have only the global one. And also for the ROG 5 is 5G already. 5G this one. ROG 5S. Okay. Have two color, black and then white. So congratulations for, oh yeah, last week we have gaming tournament ya, maybe ya, Blacklist. I support Philippines Blacklist, but yeah, I know it's okay. Maybe later we will talk about that one. Okay, so this one is ROG 5. If you're interested with this one, you can message me. Not only this one ya guys, for gaming, I already also suggest for this Realme GT Master Edition ya. Realme GT Master Edition. This one is have supported with Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, and then fast charging until 65 watt super dart charge ya. Wow. This one for the price is only for 128 GB, it's 11,900. But if you want the 8 RAM 256, it's only 13,900 ya, 13,900. Realme GT Master Edition, I already posted for Realme GT Master Edition. And for this time, I will give you free ya, this one ya, the Bluetooth headset. I will give you free. This one is Bluetooth headset for Realme GT Master Edition. So for today, the topic is gaming phone ya guys ya, gaming phone. Okay. For Realme Master Edition have colors ya, have colors gray and then have the rainbow color. You can choose what color you like. And then for Realme GT Master Edition, I will give you this Bluetooth headset ya. for free. It's included with the screen protector, casing, free shipping, and then cash on delivery. Okay? But our shipping is only in Taiwan, yeah. All Taiwan, cannot international shipping. Only in Taiwan, yeah. You give me special Hello, Christian Joy. Okay. Christian Joy, you can message me. I will give you the special price, yeah. If you have birthday. Okay. Yeah, so this all for tonight. Realme GT Master Edition. Once again, has Snapdragon 5G processor and then 120Hz Super AMOLED display. And then fast charging ya guys, until 65 watt super dart charge. Wow. For the design, it's really good ya. You can check on my Facebook for Realme GT Master Edition. Have stock ya guys. So yeah, this all for tonight. Thank you guys for watching me today. Even I cannot play because this one is trial mode. I'm sorry guys. Yeah, this one is ROG 5S. ROG 5S Pro also have ya. You can message me. Thank you guys for watching tonight and then have a nice day and God bless.